A great non-photo blue pencil is essential to any cartoonist practice, but also extremely hard to come by. And in my experience, Staedtler makes the best one. The reason why you use non-photo blue pencils when you're working on comics art is because comics art is meant for reproduction, and you don't want your pencil underdrawing to show up. So instead of using graphite, you use these non-photo blue pencils that a scanner or a Xerox machine won't pick up on. And it saves you time on the back end of sort of cleaning up your artwork. And there are so many bad non-photo blue pencils on the market. Pencils that are so light that you can't even see them while you're working, or, so plasticky that they sort of mark up and scratch your paper. And, Staedtler, I think they've really got it figured out in terms of having the right balance.